Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE and this is another weekly tech tip. Today's tech tip is about print view. So in Zoho CRM, we've got all of our data in there, which is great. It's all listed in various ways, but there's certain times when you might need to print this out. So we need to print it out in physical form. Let's say if we have an event which we're hosting, we might like to print out a list of our attendees, okay? So what we can do is we go into Zoho CRM. The first thing we need to do is make sure we can get a list of the people that are coming to our event. So you can do that a couple of ways, but probably the easiest way is to create a view. So check out my separate tech tip on creating views for that. So you just need a criteria. You can see here in my list, I've got my 5 people here already listed. Okay, with their company name, email, and mobile number. So you just need to set up your view so that you've got the right people in your view there. Once you've got that, to actually print this list out, we have some really good features which we can use here. So if you go over to the top right hand side and we click on this actions button, you'll see here we have print view. So if we click on this, it just opens up a plain window so that we can print this easily, okay? So it's got the columns, it's got the name of the view at the top here, and the option of the print button there, okay? So these are the columns which I've turned on in my view, okay? But if I need some extra information, so let's say I'd like their job title as well, I can just go back here and click on the columns icon, manage columns here, and I can turn on job title, okay, save. So now my job title column appears in my list. So then the next time I go back to print view, I've got job title on the right hand side there. So I can just repeat this process. So whatever information I need, it's just a matter of turning on the right column, and then I can customize this list, which then prints out nice and easily for me for my event. Okay, I hope that's been useful for you. I'll see you next time.